So, good morning, guys. I uploaded a video tomorrow on Ergo Scholarship in which I interviewed a Unibo student. Oops, this dog is very dangerous. Yeah. Yes. So I thought the admissions are still open, and the first step is, of course, the admissions. So I have now screen recorded the tutorial to apply to University of Mobile. Oh, University of Bologna through mobile. So laptop through mobile it is the same, but yes, I will always recommend to use laptop. But I have used mobile in this because it was a very sudden video. Like always, that is the only criticism I guess. That you don't plan your videos, but I think that's the fun. And as far as once it is delivered, and moreover, I'm always open for any question. I think it will help you guys a lot and do come. Yeah, so the point is we are always open for questions, so do ask questions. We try to give you a general idea, give you a complete idea, but we know there should be some questions. It's not like everyone understands everything by a single video. Just do ask up. We will be very happy to answer. And okay, see you in the next video. Particular sentence and it should be there. Bye-bye. Hi guys, so this is a video which I never thought I will make, but I think I should because Universe Studenti, because I have already uploaded the video for Ergo Scholarship and admissions are still open. So those who have no idea can have it. Studenti online University and then you will have to go to HSD or Studenti online. I already have an account. Sorry, I don't know what happened. I have to go I can log in, but I will show you guys how to register if you are not already logged in. International students registration. Are you an international student with Italian faculty? Yes, of course. So yeah, you have to write your entire name, date of birth, second citizenship. See, with second citizenship there is no star, so mainly focus on those stars. And if you don't know about the ones without stars, ignore them, and if you know, write about them too. Yes, this is very straightforward. My domicile is different from my residence, of course. Of course, not. Mine is not different, and 90% of you guys will not. This is when you click on next, then you will receive a specific email address and the password in your email, which you will give here in the content. Since I already have that, so I will go back to the login here. I made this last year. I applied last year. qualification presented for your application. Of course, is bachelor's degree or transcript for 7 semesters and hope certificate. No, here, yes, here you will write your university. First, you have to choose Pakistan here. Here, T type of qualification. University academic degree के बाद the BS Biotechnology for me, like the exact name. Municipality, you can write Pakistan. Address of the university from Google Maps and postcode. And then next, okay, so I will have to put it in, I think. And yes, the next step is just boot. Yeah. So next, and on the visual of reading, so you will select it. I am a non-European legally. I can select this, but you should select this. Residing abroad and residing abroad have submitted. Yeah, the third one. Next, and here upload your passport details. And for the required documents, so they are identity document, passport, you will have to upload attached document, CV, and in certificate or such certification, you will upload transcript and degree, or hope certificate and transcripts of 7 semesters or 6 semesters. So yes, you will upload them all, and you will put end your application, and it will be applied, and then it will be like this. Application completed, orange, and when it will be checked, it will be either green or red, and you will receive an email most probably. So yes, this is how you can apply in Ergo Scholarship, and then you can wait for the admission, and then you can apply for the scholarship if you get an admission, hopefully. So I applied in many in last year, and even I